LoanTrack is a company that's dedicated to providing our customers with quality recycling and aggregate equipment. We strive to be the leader and supplier of choice for aggregate, concrete, recycling, and topsoil processing equipment. As our organization began to grow, we had the need for a more stable financial accounting system. One of the major issues with our old system was that it was very difficult to get information out of it. So when we were assessing a new accounting system, it was clear to us we needed a system that was easy to integrate and would provide clear information to our management group. And finally, it was critical that the new accounting system provide us with better inventory management and control.
Our present system supplied by Candlewest has allowed us to control our inventories to a better degree, manage and maintain them, forecast for the future.
We chose Candlewest because we had confidence in their ability to assess our needs, and we believed they had the consultants necessary to help us implement more efficient controls.
Thank you, Candlewest. The system that you've put in place for us has made our life easier around here. Our inventories are much more accurate than they were in the past. The customer is the one that benefits from the system. We get things out and they're more accurate.